Hi friends, welcome back to the big joy of learning with Bijoy ji. Worried about less free space in your Google account? Watch this video till the end. We will be discussing different methods to free your space in your Google account and will conclude with a setting which can help you reduce the space while you upload files. As you might be aware, a free Google account comes with 15 GB space. This can be extended only if you switch to one of the paid Google One account with monthly or annual subscriptions. Now that you don't want to pay Google for the space and still want to use the Google account, then the only one option is to remove unwanted data and free the space. When we say remove the data, you might be wondering what data to be removed and from where. The space allocated for Google account is a shared space between your emails, files that you upload, docs, sheets, slides, etc. that you create. So, just deleting few emails will not give you more space in the Google account. We need to find the large emails, images and other format files that are occupying the space. Let us start the journey with emails. In Gmail, if you have selected the default inbox type, the emails are displayed in a tabbed format. First tab will be primary, where all your important emails are listed. The next two tabs are the promotion and social tabs, which will list the promotion emails and the emails from the social media updates. These emails might not be of much importance to you. The social media updates you might have seen in the social media website, and the promotions might not have validity for a longer period. So, have a quick look at all the emails in these tabs to make sure if any important emails are wrongly categorized as social or promotion. Then, we can select all the emails and delete these. Don't forget to unselect particular emails in case any email was wrongly categorized. If you have selected updates and forums in the category of inbox type, you can do the same with those emails as well. Review and remove. Now, we will move to the primary tab and see the large emails. Let us say we want to see the emails taking space more than 20 MB. For this, you can type larger:20 M in the filter to list the emails more than 20 MB size. Usually, an email cannot have this much size unless it has attachment file. So, to make the search to be specific, you can click on #attachment or type #attachment larger:20 MB. See the list of files from top to bottom. Select and delete the emails that is no longer needed. If you need any specific attachment, download those and store in some external media or your system before deleting. Now, filter down the emails with more than 5 MB size and do the same. Review and delete if no longer required. Google stores all deleted files in the bin folder for next 30 days before it is permanently deleted. So, if you need to free the space immediately, don't forget to clear the bin as well. For this, go to Trash, click on Empty Trash. Coming to Google Drive, when you open Google Drive, on the left side below all the links, you can see the details of storage used. Click on Storage and you will get the list of files in the order of space used. Check the files and delete the ones taking more space. If you click on Buy Storage button, it will take you to the Google One page where you get options of buying more storage, which we don't want to do now. You can also type one.google.com to go to this page. Click on Upgrade on the left menu. Here you can see the different plans available and rates as per monthly billing and annual billing. Click on the Storage on the left menu. This also displays the detail of space utilized by the Google account. Scroll down. You will get a link for Free Up Account Storage. Click on that. You can clean up your Google space from here also. And friends, do not forget to clear the spam emails and empty the trash folder both from mailbox and drive on a regular basis. Now, let us see the setting to reduce space while uploading files. Here, you can see a Microsoft Excel file and the same file in Google Sheet format. You can see that the Excel file takes 18 KB space, whereas the same file in Google Sheet format takes only 3 KB. To convert the files into Google format while uploading, go to Drive Settings and tick the option for Convert Uploads to Google Docs Editor format. Let us try uploading the 18 KB Excel file now. Please note that Microsoft Print formatting and Google's print formatting have some differences. So, when you convert and upload the files which have to be printed, make sure to reformat the file to make the print in the same manner as the Microsoft file. You can see the 18 KB Excel file is converted to Google Sheet while uploading and takes only 3 KB space. We will discuss freeing the space taken by Google Photos without deleting any photos in another video. Stay tuned with me. This is Bijoy signing off for now. We will catch up with some helpful, interesting topics in our next session soon. If you feel the content of the video is useful to you, please do not forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now and press on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.